Hi, today we're talking about Russian visa refusals and what you need to know. Have you ever applied for a Russian visa, often expecting a quick and easy approval, especially for an electronic visa, only to receive a surprising and disappointing message saying, "Visa application denied"? This happens more often than people realize, and it can be very frustrating if you don't know the real reason behind it. One of the most common causes for such refusals is an entry ban that you might not even be aware of. This usually means that during a previous visit to Russia, you violated some law or regulation. For example, you might have overstayed your permitted time, not paid required fines, or perhaps accumulated several penalties. Unfortunately, these issues often stay hidden until you apply for a new visa. So how do you find out if there is an entry ban? The first step is to submit an official inquiry. The easiest and most straightforward way is through the Ministry of Internal Affairs website. When you provide your personal details, your full name written in Russian, date of birth, and passport number, the system will check if there is a ban registered under your name by the ministry. However, if nothing appears there and your visa was nonetheless refused, it means the ban could have been issued by other government agencies. However, if nothing appears there and your visa was nonetheless refused, it means that ban could have been issued by other government agencies. These can include the Federal Security Service, which handles national security matters, the Federal Customs Service, or even health authorities like Rospotrebnadzor, which deals with restrictions related to infectious diseases. What does this mean for you? Once you find out which authority issued the ban and the exact reasons, the next steps are crucial. Usually, resolving these problems involves paying any unpaid fines immediately, making sure you use the precise payment details to avoid further delays, collecting all proof of payment and other required documents, filing an official request to lift the ban with the agency responsible. Keep in mind that once you've done all this, it may take up to 30 days for the system databases to update and for the ban to be officially removed. Only after this can you safely submit a new visa application without a risk of refusal. How long do these entry bans last? The duration depends on the circumstances. If you voluntarily left Russia after violating the rules, the ban typically lasts from 3 to 5 years. But if you were forcibly deported, the ban can extend up to a 10-year period. Bans related to national security concerns, criminal offenses, or being declared undesirable may be more complicated. These cases might require legal action or court proceedings to contest or lift them. So it's important to be aware of the seriousness of such sanctions. Special case: bans related to national security concerns, criminal offenses, or being declared undesirable may be more complicated. These cases might require legal action or court proceedings to contest or lift them. So it's important to be aware of the seriousness of such sanctions. Special cases: health-related entry bans. Some bans are imposed due to medical reasons, such as being diagnosed with infectious diseases like tuberculosis, syphilis, or HIV. Resolving these bans is usually more involved. It requires providing a medical certificate, proving completed treatment, and submitting an appeal to the relevant health authorities, like Rospotrebnadzor. Notably, for HIV-positive individuals, having close family members legally residing in Russia and complying with specific federal laws on HIV prevention can sometimes help ease the entry restrictions. In summary, visa refusals often hide an entry ban caused by past violations that the applicant may not even know about. The key to overcoming this challenge is to find out exactly who imposed the ban and why. Then, take the necessary steps, pay fines, submit official requests, and wait for the ban to be lifted. Once the ban is removed, you can confidently reapply for your Russian visa without fear of another refusal. Our company can help you understand this process, write the official inquiries, and guide you through every step to resolve your visa situation smoothly and effectively.